All right, students. Let's start then. Just give me a moment, huh, students. All right. So, students, today we will have a one personality development topic for the session, which I will cover. Let me share my screen. Okay. First of all, confirm, guys. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Audible, ma'am.
Just give me a moment. There's an error actually to share my screen. It will be great if I can show my screen and share the PPTs with all of you. All right. So, is it visible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
All right. So, guys, you are very much aware that you are basically being a part of training placement program sessions because of your placement preparation. Now, guys, you are basically preparing yourself for the top-notch MNC. All right. Now, definitely, if you want to work in MNC, okay, so you have to be great in behavior etiquette. That's very important. All right, because you will have your management to work under, you will have your team, so you will have to be very well behaved and well etiquette in the company, right? So this today's topic is about business etiquette and personal grooming. All right, so we will know how we can actually groom ourselves and actually can be a right fit for the top notch MNC. And definitely, when you will go for an interview, your company placement officials will also check how good you are in grooming, your behavior, your professional behavior. This session is all about that. Now, this is a very famous quotation. People learn best not by being told, but by experiencing the consequences of their thoughts and actions. Now, you should not do the right things in your life just because somebody told you. You should always need to know why this is important for you. Now, we are telling you, you have to be well groomed, you have to be well behaved, you have to be professional. Now, one thing is that you are just doing that because I am telling you being your faculty. No, you will not do it because I am your faculty and I'm telling you. You need to do because you know there is a benefit of doing that, a benefit of yours doing that. Now, what will be your benefit? हम कोई चीज इसलिए नहीं करे क्योंकि हमें किसी ने बताया है अच्छा बुरा हम इसलिए करें हमेशा ये देखो कि कौन सी ऐसी चीज है वो करने से आपको बेनिफिट मिलता है आपको फायदा होता है तो डेफिनेटली वॉट एवर यू आर गेटिंग फ्रॉम अस इफ यू आर डूइंग दैट इज द बेनिफिट ऑफ योर now whatever you are learning in this class that is a great benefit for your placement now whatever you are learning in this class if you will follow that you will get a great job isn't it You will be settled down in a top notch company. So that is definitely your benefit. So you should always do whatever we are telling it here, just not because you have to listen to us, also because you want to, uh, you know, have a great placement. All right. Just give me a moment, guys. Okay. So that's why. Now let's continue with this session. Okay. See, guys, one thing you need to understand when you are going for an interview, the person who is taking your interview, you are going for any company's interview, that person do not know you. You, yes,
Excuse me, ma'am. I'm very sorry to interrupt you, ma'am. Two of our mates are trying to join from the personal IDs.
all right.
So please try
About
to allow them.
Archit, you are talking about Archit.
Archit and Deepak, ma'am, these two
Right.
of them are trying.
Yeah, Palak ma'am also messaged me. Just tell them to try again. I'll allow them because I didn't allow them because they were trying to. Why they're not trying to get it login through their official
Ma'am,
ID?
there is usually there are problems of LMS. Ma'am, I myself was facing from morning, so please allow them.
Okay, Harshpreet, just tell them to try again. When I'll see their pop-up, I'll accept them here. Just उनको बोलो कि
Thank you,
दोबारा
ma'am.
try करें. जैसे ही मुझे pop-up आएगा, I'll surely allow them. Okay? Okay. So let's continue with this. Okay, so definitely you now know that do not know you. Okay, just guys. I added Archit. Where is another student? Harshpreet, please tell him or her to quickly try because I have to continue with the session. I've added Archit here
Yes, ma'am, he is trying, but
because we know
again
in
and again it's showing failed.
because बार बार ना बीच में थोड़ा सा डिस्टर्बेंस होगा क्लास में ना. All right, let's continue. As of now, one student added. Okay, so when somebody see you like in the interview room, see every perception depends on what is the reason of that meeting. Now, when you are going for a job interview, okay, so the reason is like to see you professionally, whether you are the right candidate for the company or not. They will try to judge you from that perception. They know their company, they would like to try to judge you in that basis, right? So, first impression, how are you judged? Now, first impression, I am talking about the interview, not any other first impression. Like I said, first impression and the perception depends on the reason of meeting. Here, the reason of meeting is interview, job interview, where you have to be very professional, guys. Appearance and body language. Total, let's give us a score out of 100. Now, appearance and body language, here you get 55%. All right. So 55% weightage you will have here. Guys, just give me a moment here. A technical error. कितने बार मैंने ना इसको एक बार दोबारा मैं स्क्रीन शेयर करती हूँ. Students, am I audible to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
All
Yes,
right.
ma'am.
Sorry for the inconvenience caused. Actually, I have
Yes,
to,
ma'am.
remove and all that again and again. So facing little technical error, I'll just continue now. Okay. So first impression. So let's know how you will be judged in the interview room based on your appearance and the whole interview experience. Appearance and body language. Now, what we considered in appearance, the way you dressed up, Now, definitely, when you will have your placement drive job interviews, you have to be in your proper college uniform. Now, definitely, if you try to pair your college uniform with a sports shoes, or you did not comb your hair properly, so your appearance will be judged as a poor appearance, like you're very non-serious, you're not dressed up yourself properly. You need to understand, out of 100, 55%, which is more than a half, going for appearance and body language. Now, body language, how you are behaving, you are greeting that person, good morning, sir, good afternoon, thanking them, your behavior, your body language, your gestures, your facial expression will be judged, and there you will have 55% weightage for your appearance and body language out of 100. How you talk, okay, intonation, pacing, and inflection. I'll explain all of this. After appearance and body language, where you have 50-45% weightage, now how you are talking to them, here you will get 38% weightage. The more you talk nicely, the more scores you will have in this 38% bucket. Now, your voice clarity, what you are saying, you're not speaking very slowly that they are not able to understand. Whatever you are saying, your pronunciation, your language, your clarity, everything is there. The rate of speech, okay? So your voice, how you are saying that, everything matters, and there you will get 38% weightage. Now, finally, what you say, that is just 7%. So what does it mean? If you will come with a great answer, but your body language is not great, your appearance is not great, you are not talking properly, you will surely not get a great score. So you basically have to look after all these parameters, appearance and body language, how you are talking to that person, and then what you say. What is grooming basically? This picture is basically giving you a clear idea. Trimmed haircut, clean shaved, warm smile, feel of confidence, formal dress, firm handshake, correct body posture. So basically, grooming is, something you do. Like there is something called self investment for self growth. So self grooming for a great self image, that people really appreciate you. When you see somebody well dressed up, very nice, trimmed hairs, and very clean way, and very nicely dressed up, professional behavior, you say, wow, such a personality, because they have a great groomed personality. Now, I will tell you, as because this is Punjab, I'm going to state this reason. So, we know a lot of people have facial beard and hair for their religion purpose. Like I'm talking about the students who follow a Sikh religion, right? Definitely, we respect that you have that religion, and definitely you have a facial beard for your religion purpose, and the interviewers also will respect that. Now, what you can do, guys, I'll tell you something. I did not tell you that about me. I used to work in a IT MNC as a professional trainer. So I'm basically from a corporate sector where I've worked there for 10, 11 years, and it's been 3.5 years. I'm a part of CGC Nandra College. This is my first education institute as an employee, right? So I'll tell you something. I worked in Delhi for 11 years. So I was a part of a IT company. I'll tell you my own experience. So I had a lot of my colleagues, part of a HR team or training team or operation team. They also follow the Sikh religion. They are from, so they have facial beard, but the way they nicely dressed up. I mean, I've seen, a lot of people who have this, and they actually nicely tie their turban. They nicely, just groom their hair. I'm not saying you need to chop your hair. Without chopping your hair, just because you respect your religion and you respect that, you are basically look nice. You see, guys, how to look nice, that very, best way. So whatever is that, so you need to know how to look the best. When you are going for a special occasion, you are going to attend a wedding, you are going to attend a party, you have a very special event, you have a fest, you know how to get, dressed up and look best. right? Everyone try that. So you need to also try that same effort in your interview day, because that interview is a very important thing. So please ensure that you're looking after the grooming part, that to create a great self image about you, about your personality in front of the interviewer. Personal grooming habits. Basically, if you are having a personal grooming habit, you are looking after all these aspects: hair, nails, teeth, uniform, and makeup. I'll explain grooming and its importance. Let's know, like I started with this quotation, you should not do because somebody told you. You should do because this is important for you, and this is going to be a benefit for your life, in your life. This is going to be beneficial for you. It is the process of making yourself look neat and attractive. When you have a trimmed nail, neat and clean look. You are very nicely combed your hair. You really look very clean. So that will create that you're very attractive, very, very neat. People would like to talk to you. People would like to hire you. See, you may be a great student, but people cannot, company officials cannot hire somebody who even very clumsy, very shabby. They will not hire them because you have to represent their brand also tomorrow. You have to work with other people, which is very important for them. The things which you do to make yourself and your appearance tidy and pleasant. See, guys, you know the best how you can look best, as in how you can look like neat and clean and tidy and pleasant and professional. Grooming is important for a positive self image. I told you already. When you clean, when you're neat and clean, people have a great image about you, positive. People's perception from groomed appearance and professional. When you see somebody properly dressed up, very groomed, what thought you have in your mind? Very professional, right? That person is very good in, very, well maintained professional person. Level of sophistication. They will consider that you are a very sophisticated person. Intelligence. Okay, you're very into because you're intelligent. That's the reason you have done that self investment. Credibility and reliability. Yes, I can rely, I can trust that this person can be the right candidate for my company, and they will respect you also. Okay, personality development and grooming. Now, what is personality, guys? We are talking basically to groom your personality, right? Let's understand what is personality. Personality is nothing but overall you. Personality is totally of an individual's behavior, attitude, ego, interest, emotional responses, and social roles. When you talk to somebody, that person always yell, shout, fight. So that is his personality. You always talk to somebody who is so egoistic that he or she don't think about others, always only keeps himself or herself high and others are low. Their attitude, their behavior, their emotional responses, okay, their social role and helpful. I want to help you. I want to be there to do this. Taking responsibility. That's overall your personality. So personality, what makes you the way you are, the way you will behave in the social, with other people, the way you will talk to them, the way you will respond to things. That is overall your personality. Good personality. These are the signs of a good personality. If you have this one, definitely you have a great personality. Good physics. Now, why we say good physics? See, guys, everybody wants to look great. If you say that, I do not want to look after my health and I can look attractive, that's not possible. You need to respect your own physical health, your own body, because this is the place where you are living. If this body stops responding, we will die. You need to always respect in the body that you are living in. This is very important, and this is a self responsibility also to take care of in good eating habits, good activities. That's very much important to look after yourself. This is called self investment. Pleasing manners. You're very good in behavior. You're very well mannered person. Appearance, like I already discussed, the way you dressed up, you ready get ready for the things and for the event. That's what called please your appearance. Now, intelligence. Okay, So intelligence is basically how intelligently you talk. You always do not react badly. You think properly, then you behave. Also, you always put your brain into things. You respond very relevantly. That is called intelligence. Smartness, you know how to handle the situations. You're not unnecessarily reacting other people and all that. You're smart enough to handle everything. Trustworthiness, people can rely. Yes, she or he can be the right candidate for my company. Same with the reliability, they can rely on you. Responsibility, you know how to do your responsibilities very well. Personal integrity. So personal integrity is basically, see guys, we all have values and principles. Okay, so you are not somebody who always try to do that for others. You have some integrity with yourself, with some personality. That we call a personal integrity. Professional front, that you're very professional, you know how to professionally dress up. Good control over body and mind. You are not really reactive. You will see a lot of people unnecessarily react a lot. You are not that. You have a great control over your emotions. That is a great thing you can do in life. It's not necessary when you are angry, you have to only burst out. आपको बुरा लगा तो आप हमेशा गलत ही बोलोगे बिना सोचे समझे वो बात सही नहीं होता. You should always think, sit and think, give yourself, I mean, always remember that people always destroy themselves when they are angry. This is a history, this is a proven fact, this is a proven example in the world. Whenever somebody destroyed themselves by their own hands, so that's because of the anger and ego. एक कहावत है ना, एक बहुत फेमस कहावत है कि जो घमंड है ना वो इंसान को हमेशा खत्म कर देता है. घमंड तो 10 सिर वाला रावण का भी नहीं रहा. हम तो बहुत ही छोटे इंसान हैं उनके आगे. ठीक है, तो फिर वही बात है. देखो रावण, आप लोगों को रामायण तो पता होगा जो हिंदू एपिक में है. ठीक है, तो उसमें क्या है ना कि वी नो व्हेन देयर वाज अ फाइटिंग बिटवीन लॉर्ड रामचंद्र एंड Ravan, who was a king of Lanka. So, in spite of the fact that Ravan was very buddhiman, he was very intelligent, very much prospered with every blessings from a god, okay, to being immortal and all that. So, you know what? In spite of that, see, he was very intelligent enough. He had lot of resources. He was a king. In spite of, because of his own act, because of his own attitude, he destroyed his entire empire and he lost it forever. You know why? Not because he was not intelligent. वो बहुत intelligent थे, हम सबको पता है. उनकी ego, उनकी bad attitude ने उनको बिल्कुल destroy कर दिया. He had 10 heads, such intelligence, okay? But still, that never worked for him just because his attitude and his behavior was not correct. And that's what the reason of his complete devastated destroy. So in that case, you should always see, guys. You know what? In life, you need to be very careful with your behavior. अभी जैसे क्या है ना कि आप sorry बहुत बोलते हो, like I've done it, I was angry. That is not really right. We always need to understand to act very maturely. Like if you if you don't like something about somebody, that does not mean you have to react or you have to say wrong things to them. Lot of time it happens to a lot of people that when they're angry, they say lot of things to the other people and they later realize and regret and saying sorry and all that stuff. Why to put yourself in that situation? So before react, आप याद रखना, आपको जब कोई चीज अच्छा नहीं लगता, वो वेरी फर्स्ट एंड इंस्टेंट मोमेंट होता है, आपको गुस्सा आता है और उस टाइम पे जब आप कुछ करते हो वो गलत ही होता है. So it's always very important and mature that you need to give yourself that time. अपने आप को थोड़ा सा टाइम दो, हमेशा समझो उसमें. पता है क्या होता है ना, आपको लगता है कि मैं वो हीट ऑफ द मोमेंट कुछ कर गया, आपने किसी को हर्ट किया, किसी को कुछ गलत बोल दिया, वो हीट ऑफ द मोमेंट करते हो. वो हीट ऑफ द मोमेंट को ही हम लोग एंगर कहते हैं, है ना. So always try to have a great, see, you always remember my one sentence which I also follow in my life. See, this world with a different type of people. If you don't like others' perception, they also probably don't like your perception. You can't force every people to believe and to accept your perception. That is a wrong expectation. They are, see, you say your point. Accepting or not accepting is their decision. You can't force somebody to accept your decision. That is up to them whether they accept it or not. All right. If you will try to get into everyone's business, you will be always unhappy. Always remember one thing: nothing is wrong, nothing is right. Everybody have their own perception. I'll repeat myself. If you can, if you can follow this thing, you will see you will be more happy in life and satisfied in life. Nothing is wrong, nothing is right. Everyone have their own perception. If you can just accept that very soon, you will see your life is more better, because you can't force somebody to accept your point of view the way somebody cannot force you to accept their point of view, and that is where you can have a great behavior. uh, Always remember that you cannot cover this world with a carpet, but you can wear your own shoes. If you don't like something, see, this is a fact of life that you cannot like everyone, you cannot love everyone. The similar way, not everyone will like you or love you. You have to accept it, okay? You will have some people you really love, you will have some people that you really like, but there will be people with whom your mentality is not matching. But that does not mean you have to hate them or you have to misbehave with them. There is something called ignorance is a bliss. Avoid, okay? Rather being somebody a worst person, you, because you know what? Why? Always remember that life is all about 10% what happened to you and 90% how you react to it. And 90% you react to it is a majority time when you don't understand and respond and react. Okay, and that's what makes you a worst personality. Always sit, think, and decide and approach. Even if you want to see, what you should do. If you don't like somebody, you don't need to please that person, but also you don't need to misbehave with that person. Always remember, I don't like you, that does not mean I have to throw a stone towards you or a mud towards you. I can simply being around you, together with you, less than the people I love and I love to be with. That is your attitude and the decision to your personality. When you are getting angry, you also don't feel great about that. Okay, don't keep everything with you, let it go. If you don't like something, don't do it, but don't say wrong things to that or that person. That is your personal behavior, and that is your positive attitude. Okay, always remember, whatever is happening to you, nobody else is responsible for that. We actually getting the result of your own actions and reactions. So we can't say that I am in a situation because of somebody else. You always in a situation because of you. I am always in a situation because of myself. So if you don't want to get be with, just ignore it. Don't be bad with that. You don't need to say wrong things or to do a wrong act to the thing what you don't like or whom you don't like. That is your personality. कल को आप लोग एमएनसी में काम करोगे, ऐसा थोड़ी है कि आपको सारे पसंद आएंगे या आप सबको पसंद आओगे। तो ऐसा जरूरी है कि आप रोज एक महायुद्ध लड़ने लगोगे। ऐसा थोड़ी होगा कि आप सुबह पहुंचे, हाथ में तलवार लेके बंदूक लेके आप लोग लड़ाई कर दो अपनी को लेकर, तुम मुझे पसंद नहीं हो बोल रहे तुम। ऐसा नहीं होता। यू हैव टू लर्न टू इग्नोर। अगेन, nothing is right, nothing is wrong. Everybody, that's the way your perception is that you don't like his opinion, that's their perception that they don't. So it is mutual. Everything is mutual. So please don't react unnecessarily. And you do that, that is very much immature. Somebody who loves to ignore, that does not mean that person is weak. That person is intelligent to avoid a big, unnecessary, irrelevant incident from the life, which is not required and welcomed. Okay, so control over your body and mind, that is important. आप जब गुस्सा हो तो आप रोते हो, आप रिएक्ट करते हो, वो आपकी हेल्थ पे भी इफेक्ट पड़ता है। तो किसका बुरा हुआ, आपका या उनका? So you need to understand, you no need to, you are not required everywhere. You no need to get into everyone's business every time. अच्छा, जरूरी नहीं कि आप किसी के मैटर पे पढ़ो तो ही अच्छा है। So management, you manage your life very well. You know, managing your personal thing, your professional thing, and all that. Just give me a moment, guys. गाइस इसके बाद में मैं किसी को लॉग इन करवाऊंगी नहीं, ये बार बार लॉग आउट लॉग इन वाला सीन ना, ये जो स्पेशली जो दूसरे आईडीज यूज कर रहे हो, इट इज डिस्टर्बिंग माई क्लास अलॉट। तो ऐसे प्रोफेशनल अप्रोच रखो, पहले ही बोला है तो पहले लॉग इन कर लिया करो, आप अपने रीजन से दूसरों को प्लीज डिस्टर्ब मत करो। यहाँ पे अभी अभी बिहेवियर की बात हो रही है, दिस इज अटरली अनप्रोफेशनल बिहेवियर। जस्ट गिव मी अ मोमेंट। बार बार ये लॉग इन लॉग आउट वाला चीजें मत किया करो प्लीज, यू आर डिस्टर्बिंग एवरीबॉडी। All right, so that's how you have a great behavior. What is personality development? Now I said personality is all about you, but you want to improve them. You want to improve your behavior, your attitude, your skill that need to be improved. That is called development. So development is basically improving yourself as a better person. If you think you're not able to do this today, you're trying to improve that, and that is what we call development. Personality development is the important in improvement of behavioral traits such as communication skill. If you think you are not able to communicate very well, work on that, improve that. Interpersonal relationships, like I said about the behavior, you are having a great behavior with people, professional front, attitude. Basically, whatever you need to improve, you are improving them, working on them. That is called development. So you are working on to improve and making your personality better. That is called personality development. Okay, personal development is all about. So, what is public speaking? Public speaking is when you are talking to other people, you're talking to mass, that is public speaking. You're talking to public, you're trying to have a great relationship with your colleagues, with your classmates, with the faculties, with everybody, professional places. So, that's what body language. Don't be rude with your body language, your expression. That's very much not correct. Your behavior, I said a lot about anger management. I just discussed with you that unnecessarily you no need to be angry. You have to have a great control over your body language. Physical fitness, see, this is important. If you say that, ma'am, I'm a good person and I no need to be fit, again, you're disrespecting the life that you have. And the most precious thing you can have in this world is yourself. Okay? Love the person that you see daily when you stand in front of the mirror. If you don't love that person, don't claim that you love other people. If you don't love yourself, you can't love anybody else, and that is the right factual thing. So you only can love others when when you are in love with yourself. Believe me. See guys, if your tiffin box is if you are if you have a tiffin box and this is empty, how can you serve a food from that? If you have a food in your tiffin box, you can offer a food to somebody. So if you are not happy person, so how can you spread happiness? If you're not a positive person, how can you spread the positivity? If you don't love yourself, how can you spread love? So first, do everything, respect yourself the way you are. I've seen a lot of people in my life, they judge the way they look, they judge their skin color, they judge the place that they are from, the family there. You should never. Always remember you are unique in yourself. Respect that what you have. If you are not happy about something when you see in the mirror, please do work on that. Actively work on that, but don't say wrong things to yourself that मैं अच्छा नहीं हूँ, मेरा किस्मत खराब है and all that. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. It is all. कोई भी आप दुनिया की कोई भी फेमस पर्सनालिटीज को देख लो, वो ऐसे ही बन के नहीं आए हैं, है ना? तो अभी I'll quote you a great example here. I do not know how many of you know him. He is a great personality in the world. His name is David Goggins. Okay, I don't know how many of you heard about David Goggins. So one of the strongest, not one of the strongest person in the world. He's an American guy. What happened? So David Goggins born in an American family. So he was from a very poor family, so much low in poverty that his parents was not even able to get him a food for one meal in a day. And just because they were in such condition, his parents used to beat him badly. So every day he never had anything to eat but only scolded and hit and beaten up by his parents. He was only 3 or 4 years old. He was so paranoid by by the behavior of the family, of the society. He ran away from the home. He was just four. Think he ran away from home. And just to survive, to have food, he used to catch cockroaches as a pest control, and to get money and eat. And he just had so bad time in his life. He used to only eat and eat. Whatever money he used to earn, he only used to eat. This is a real story of a David Goggins. You can Google about him later. David Goggins. Okay. So what happened? He was so obese, not even a fat. He was so obese, he was not even able to, take a 5 steps. 5 कदम चल नहीं पाते थे, इतने obese हो गए थे. He was only eating burgers and all that, whatever money he used to want. But he wanted to be a Navy SEAL. Now, if you ever heard about American Navy SEAL, one of the toughest thing to crack, Indian Army, American Army, anything. This is one of the most toughest things. Like Navy SEAL is basically Marines. Okay, the army that you have on the ground, this army on the Marine. Okay, so it was very tough thing to crack. He was obese, and just in order to be in the recruitment criteria in Navy SEAL, you have to be very fit. He thought either I am this and I'm going to die like this, or I will change my reality. You know what he have done? He worked so hard on on himself, and he become the most toughest in the world. And he also a ultra distance cyclist also. Okay, ultra marathon, marathon distance cyclist also. In first time when he attempted that, his body had a cut because of that pressure of cycling, and he left. Okay, he quit at that time. Then again he gone back and he owned that. And also because of his dedication, within a 6 months he transformed himself with a mental toughness that he got a part of Navy SEAL. He served for American Navy SEAL, and today he's one of the toughest man in the world. Okay, so what he says: either you accept and the thing that you don't like about yourself, or you live with that and always say wrong things to yourself, or you want to be dedicated. I mean, that's what I'm saying. If you want to be dedicated for your career, do something what is best. Lots of students I have seen here to struggling with English speaking. This is just a language. The dedication is inside you. You have to work for that. Okay. And there is a very famous book of David Goggin. If anybody loves reading, you should try. You should read this book. The name of his book is You Can't Hurt Me. Can't Hurt Me. I mean, that's about the life challenges he had, and that's the real story, guys. So, you know what? There are a lot of people, they have changed their life. They have changed their life because of, the person who is behind KFC, one of the large selling food chain. He has seen the misery all his life, a big time failure all his life. He's seen success when he was 80. Today, KFC known as the largest, largest food chain in the world, not only in India. It is you. What can break you? This one. And what can make you? This one. So if you're dedicated to yourself, nobody can break you. So this is important. All right. Food habits, what you're eating. Remember what you're eating, that you are investing on your health. Okay. So you are investing either a samosas and pizzas, or you eat investing the good thing to yourself. That is your decision. Friends making skills, your learning skills, how you learn, relationships, that is also important. Okay. Communication, dealing with problems, optimism, positivity. Okay, these are the, I'll share this PPT with Palak ma'am. I'll ask her to share with you that you can have an accessibility of this PPT. She will share with you through a Google link, LMS link, improving awareness, your knowledge, everything I've already discussed, your self-improvement, your health and everything. Work etiquette. See guys, you should follow this when you will start working in a company. Okay, do not use your professional thing for your personal usage. I've seen people using the official telephone for personal calls. You should not do that. Is a very bad thing. Swear words. I swear, please, that is the most stupid thing you can do in the official places. Please don't do that. That's really silly. Okay, don't say swear. I swear on God, please. If you have if you are honest, you can prove it with your words and logics and examples. Avoid emotional outbursts like you cried, you angry, and all that. Don't groom it like people start combing their hair when they're sitting in their cubicle, or they started and just wearing the makeup at a public place. That is not really great thing. Pick up yourself like you. I mean, I have seen it here that people throw the plates and all after they have meal. I mean, nobody is there to pick up your. I mean, if you have done eating, pick up that disposable and throw it into the dustbin. That's a good behavior. Respect other spaces. You're not getting into other places and disturbing them while they're walking. Okay, these are some tips for the official attire for men and women. For men, please, guys, I've seen a very much great fashion statement. You're wearing an ankle length socks, and that is a complete disaster if it's a professional attire. Please don't wear ankle length socks. This is for male and female both, men and women both. So you should always wear a full length socks. Okay, facial hair, but again, for religion purpose, that is acceptable, but nicely groomed. Okay, trim your beard and no goatees and all. You need to always respect the profession. Okay, so that's what. Not floaters, not sports shoes, business suit, formal trousers and shirt. But for your placement, you have to wear your college uniform. For women, don't over accessorize like anything that you're wearing. Very bright makeup. Properly comb your hair, avoid bright colors, formal business suit, formal trouser and shirt, sari, salwar kameez, and formal kurti and pajama. All right. So dress code is really important for any big and successful organization. This is your college uniform, and these are the days you have to. I mean, these days we are basically due to pandemic we're at home, but once you start coming, every Tuesday and Thursday, seminars, business talks and guest lectures, placement drives, group discussion, personal interview, and all official meetings of CGC. This is the uniform, the picture of the uniform. That's all about the personal grooming. Now, before I finish this lecture, I would like to tell you one motivational story. Like I said, you should always respect what you are, whom you are. So I would like to tell you something today. Okay, I will tell you one story today, basically to understand your own value and to love yourself and respect yourself always. Okay, this is a very beautiful story. I usually do end my session this way with my students also. So definitely, I would like to do the same with you people also today. I just connected with you this lecture.
पूरे 30 दिन यूज करने के बाद मैं पोको M2 Pro का यहाँ पर फुल रिव्यू देने वाला हूँ। यहाँ पर मैंने पर्सनली इसको यूज करा और एज अ प्राइमरी डिवाइस यहाँ पर यूज करा है। तो इसमें बताऊंगा कैसी गेमिंग देखने को मिले, कैसी बैटरी बैकअप देखने को मिला, क्या वीडियोग्राफी और फोटोग्राफी में है, और क्या वीडियो क्रिएटर्स के लिए क्या ये फोन बना हुआ है, जैसे कि आप यूट्यूब या फिर कहीं और प्लेटफॉर्म पर वीडियोस या फिर कंटेंट वगैरह बनाते हो तो उसके लिए कैसा रहेगा, फाइनली इसकी बिल्ड क्वालिटी कैसी है और ओवरऑल इसकी लुक एंड फील कैसे है, सब कुछ बताऊंगा मैं इस वीडियो में।
So one day what happened?
तो सबसे पहले हम इसकी बैटरी के बारे में बात करते हैं। तो पोको M2 Pro comes with 5000 mAh massive battery with a 33 watt fast charger in the box, जिसकी वजह से आपको 5000 mAh बैटरी की वजह से आपको काफी ज्यादा बैटरी बैकअप देखने को मिलता है। ऊपर से इसमें एक चीज की बात और है, इसमें आपको Snapdragon 720G देखने को मिलता है जो कि 8 नैनोमीटर पर बना हुआ प्रोसेसर है, जिसकी वजह से प्रोसेसर जो है वो ज्यादा बैटरी एफिशिएंट है, जिसकी वजह से आपको और ज्यादा बैटरी बैकअप देखने को मिलेगा। अगर आप इसको कंपेयर करेंगे Redmi Note 9 से या फिर आप इसको Realme 6i या फिर Realme 6 से कंपेयर करेंगे, जिसमें आपको MediaTek का Helio सीरीज का प्रोसेसर देखने को मिलता है। उसमें आप
she was roaming and she saw that
12 नैनोमीटर के प्रोसेसर देखने को मिलेगा, 5000 mAh की बैटरी देखने को मिलेगी। लेकिन इसमें इस प्रोसेसर की वजह से 5000 mAh बैटरी में आपको ज्यादा बैटरी बैकअप देखने को मिलेगा और ऊपर से इसमें 33 वॉट की फास्ट चार्जिंग देखने को मिलती है, जिसकी वजह से 1 घंटे में आपका 90% जो वो फोन चार्ज हो जाता है, जिसकी वजह से यार आपको पूरे दिन में दोबारा चार्ज करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ने वाली है और 1 घंटा 20-30 मिनट में आपका ये पूरा 100% चार्ज हो जाता है, क्योंकि आपका 90% के बाद चार्जिंग स्पीड स्लो हो जाती है। और इसमें आपको बता दो कितना बैटरी बैकअप देखने को मिलता है। अगर आप इसको कंटिन्यूअसली यूज करेंगे, जैसे कि मैं यहाँ पर स्क्रीनशॉट्स दिखा देता हूँ, मैं जब से इसको यूज कर रहा था तो मैं पूरे दिन यूज करता था, लॉकडाउन में सब कुछ काम जो होता था वो मेरे स्मार्टफोन से होता था। तो यहाँ पर इसको यूज करने के बाद पूरा रात में आप चेक कर सकते हो कितना मुझे स्क्रीन ऑन टाइम देखने को मिला है। साथ में आप यहाँ पर ये भी चेक कर सकते हो कि कितनी परसेंट बैटरी मेरी बची थी। तो यहाँ पर मैंने पूरा एवरेज निकाला, पूरा आपको कंक्लूड करके दिखाऊं, पूरा दिन मैं फोन यूज करता हूँ जिसमें से स्क्रीन ऑन टाइम टाइम, मतलब पूरे दिन स्क्रीन कितनी देर तक मैंने यूज करी, कितनी देर तक झेली रही है, वो हमारा 12 से 13 घंटे का आपका पूरा ये फोन दे सकता है एक दिन में। इसका मतलब आपका पूरे दिन आप स्मार्टफोन में कुछ भी चला सकते हैं, ये बिल्कुल भी डाउन नहीं होने वाला है हैवी यूजर्स में। और अगर आप इसको नॉर्मल यूज करते हैं तो 2 दिन का आराम से बैटरी बैकअप आपको देखने को मिल जाएगा। और इसमें एक चीज और हाईलाइट करना चाहूंगा, जैसे इसमें 33 वाट के आपको फास्ट चार्जिंग देखने को मिलते हैं, इसमें मुझे एक प्रॉब्लम देखने को मिली, शायद मेरे चार्जर या फिर मेरे स्मार्टफोन में कमी है या फिर इसके सॉफ्टवेयर में प्रॉब्लम है, जो कि फ्यूचर में सॉफ्टवेयर अपडेट के थ्रू सही हो सकता है। जो मुझे लगता है वो लगता है कि इसमें सॉफ्टवेयर में कुछ इशू है। जैसे मैं इसके 33 वाट के फास्ट चार्जर से उसी के केबल के साथ इसको चार्ज करता हूं तो ये 2-3 मिनट चार्ज होगा, फिर एकदम से कट लगेगा चार्जिंग में, फिर से स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, फिर 2-3 मिनट बाद फिर से इसकी डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाती है चार्जिंग ऑटोमेटिकली, फिर ऑटोमेटिकली स्टार्ट हो जाती है, मतलब इंस्टेंटली इसमें चार्जिंग स्टॉप होगी, एकदम से स्टार्ट हो जाती है। मैंने इसको चार्ज करा 18 वाट के फास्ट चार्जर से Redmi Note 8 Pro की, तो ये परफेक्टली वर्क कर रहा था, लेकिन उसमें भी 100% चार्ज करने में 1 या 2 बार कट उसमें भी लग रहा था। और मैंने उसके केबल को स्विच करके देखा तो केबल को मैंने 18 वाट वाली केबल लगाई तो उसमें हमें 18 वाट की फास्ट चार्जिंग देखने को मिल रही थी।
After some time she was spending sitting there, she stood up to go back to her home. And the moment she saw that pouch, the necklace was not there. And she was very scared. She was very upset. Where is my necklace? Because she was so valued that price, that was the price possession. She was very worried. Where is my necklace? I hope not a small animal took it and threw it into the river. In that immediate time, she saw there is something glittering on the water, and she thought that an animal probably just threw it into the water.
चार्जिंग टेस्ट
She ran towards that.
Realme
And
7,
without
Realme
thinking
6
that
और
the
Poco
water
M2
is
Pro
very
guys,
dirty
बात
because
करो
of the
अगर चार्जिंग
chemical
स्पीड की तो Realme 7 में
like
आपको
coming
30
into
वाट
that
का
water
डार्ट
or
चार्जर देखने को
into
मिल जाता
dirt
है,
and
और Realme 6
garbage
में
and all
30 वाट
that.
का
She
फ्लैश
didn't
चार्जर,
mind that.
इस
She
Poco
went
M2
into
Pro में
that
आपको
dirty
33
water
वाट का
and
फास्ट चार्जर
start
देखने को
looking
मिल
for
जाता
her
है। बैटरी
necklace with
कैपेसिटी
her
की बात करूँ
hand.
तो Realme
The
7 में आपको
moment
5000
the
mAh
place
की
where
बैटरी
she
देखने को मिल
saw
जाएगी,
that something
Poco M2
glittering,
Pro में भी
she just
5000 mAh
put
की
her
बैटरी देखने
hand
को मिल
but
जाएगी, और
getting
Realme
nothing.
6 में
After some time
4300
trying and trying,
टेक्निकली
this
Realme 6
method
को
was
पहले
so
चार्जिंग
dirty
कंप्लीट
with
करना
that
चाहिए क्योंकि
chemicals
30
and
वाट का फास्ट चार्जर मिलता
extract
है
from
और
that
साथ में बैटरी कैपेसिटी कम है
factory. She was
4300
all
mAh।
dirty
लेकिन Realme 7
and
के लिए
but
कंपनी
she
ने
did not
क्लेम
get
किया है
that
कि
necklace.
26 मिनट में ये
When she
50%
came out
चार्ज
from
कर
the
सकता
river,
है। तो
she
देखते
was
हैं
so
तीनों
worried
में कौन
and
ज्यादा
so,
क्विक है,
so
क्योंकि
lost.
Poco
She
M2
just
Pro में
stopped
33
here
वाट का
and she
फास्ट चार्जर
realized
मिलता है। तो गाइस
she was
चार्जिंग
wearing
स्टार्ट
that
करने से पहले
necklace.
मैं
She
आपको
completely
टेम्परेचर दिखा
forgot
दूं।
that she took out that
तो ये
necklace
है
from
रूम
the
का
pouch
टेम्परेचर।
and she wore it. You know what she did? She
Realme 7
didn't bother.
पहले बैक
She
दिखा
didn't
दूं,
mind
फिर
to
फ्रंट
go
दिखाऊंगा।
get into
तो
the
गाइस
dirty
सेम देखने
water
को मिल रहा
to
है
get that.
33.3
She forgot that
के
she was
आसपास।
wearing it. Okay?
Okay.
That's an end of the story.
And
What
ये
is the
है
moral
Poco
of the
M2
story?
Pro,
Guys, know what?
सेम टेम्परेचर।
All that great thing we want in our life,
टेम्परेचर हम
the
इसलिए नोट कर
happiness
रहे हैं
that we want in our
क्योंकि
life,
चार्जिंग के
that
वक्त
is
फोन थोड़ा
always
गर्म होता है,
exist
तो
with
वो
us.
हम देख लेंगे
We
कि
never see the
कितना
happiness in
टेम्परेचर कितना हीट
ourselves.
देखने को
We
मिलता है
always
चार्जिंग के
try to
टाइम
go
पे।
and
ये आप
search
देख
for the
सकते हो
happiness in
Realme
the other
6 में भी सेम
people,
टेम्परेचर
in the
देखने को
other
मिल रहा है।
things. And for that, sometimes people also have to get into the
Realme
dirt, the negative
7
thing, the negative emotion. They are
same।
ready to do that thing to be happy. You need to see always these things in you.
Poco
Okay, see, like the way she wore the happiness, she forgot about that, and she
6
got into the dirty,
एकदम
river
टेम्परेचर तीनों
to
में
get
बराबर है।
that.
ओके
But it
चलिए
was
करते हैं
just a
स्टार्ट।
reflection. What you see from the far, that is just a reflection.
Start.
But if you only want to be happy inside out,
तो
you
5
should
मिनट में
always
Realme 6
be
का
in
30 वाट का फ्लैश
yourself.
चार्जर कितना चार्ज कर
Be
सकता है?
happy with the
10%
person
चार्ज कर
you
सकता है।
are.
Poco
If you're
M2
not happy,
8%
it's
चार्ज कर सकता है।
okay.
11 हो गया Realme
Improve
6 में और Realme
yourself.
7
The
में
way
10%,
you should
यानी
develop
Realme
your
6 और Realme 7 और ये 11 हो गया
If
Realme
you're
7
not
की। तो
happy
गाइस
with
आप
your
देख सकते हो जो स्पीड है ना
personality,
Realme 6 और 7
develop
दोनों में
that.
बराबर चल रहा है 11
Whatever
11% और
needs
Poco
to do,
M2
that
Pro में
grooming and
8% हुआ है।
everything,
तो
do
5000 mAh की
that.
बैटरी के
If you're
साथ Realme 7
grooming
यहाँ पे
yourself,
ज़्यादा बेटर दिख रहा
for
है।
your
एंड हो सकता है कि Realme 6 से
when
पहले
you
ये
see
चार्जिंग
that
कंप्लीट कर ले।
person,
15 मिनट
अगर
हो गया
आप
और 15 मिनट के
अच्छे
बाद
लगते किसी ने आपको
Realme 6
compliment दिया,
30
wow,
वाट,
you're looking so
Poco
nice.
M2 Pro
How do you
22
feel?
और
You
Realme
feel like you are
30%
just in the
चार्ज
ninth
काफी
cloud.
क्लोज चल रहा है
You're
Realme
so
7 और
happy
Realme
person.
6 5000
When
mAh की बैटरी
somebody
और
just
Realme
says,
6
wow,
में
you're looking
4300
so
mAh की
nice
बैटरी
today,
15 मिनट में
you
इतना
feel
चार्ज
so
करने के बाद
great
गर्मी के नीचे
about
देख लेते हैं
yourself. That
Realme 7
it's that easy to be happy.
Poco
Okay, you just, if people just look for the happiness all the
Realme
world in
6
other people, in all the other things, but they don't see the happiness inside
पीछे भी
them.
देख लेते हैं
If you will see the happiness inside them,
57.5
you'll be the
दिखा
most
सकते हो।
happiest
Poco
person in the world. Always
59
respect whom you are. Always love yourself, care for yourself,
37 दिख रहा है। 20
and
मिनट होने वाला
develop
है
your
एंड मैं आपको फिर से याद दिला दूं
personality,
26
not
मिनट
to
में
please
Realme
the
7 में
world,
50% चार्ज
but
हो जाना
for
चाहिए था
your
कंपनी ने जो
growth
क्लेम किया
and
था
your
एंड ये हो गया
success
26
in
मिनट
life. So I hope you
48%
liked
चार्ज हो
this
चुका है। तो चलिए
session.
चलेगा
On a
क्योंकि
very
1-2%
serious note,
इन्वायरमेंट
it
बेस
was
पावर
great
सप्लाई का भी फर्क
connecting
पड़ता है
with
कभी
you
कभी। तो
people.
50% चार्ज हो चुका है
Lovely
Realme 6
people
और
around.
Poco
I
M2 Pro
wish you all the
37%।
best
तो
for
चलिए
your
देखते हैं 26
career
मिनट के
and
बाद
your bright
48%
future.
चार्ज
Do
करने के बाद
great.
कितना टेम्परेचर
Help
देखने को मिलता है।
yourself
तो
to
36.4
grow
लिखा
and
मैक्सिमम।
be successful. Remember,
ओके 36 के आसपास है, यानी फुल
self-investment
ज़्यादा
for
गर्म नहीं हुआ है।
self-growth.
पोको 40 चला
Always
गया है,
never,
39.9 दिख रहा है। ओके
never feel shy or
39
hesitant
प्लस
to
है
groom
Realme 6
yourself to develop
36 के
yourself.
आसपास है।
You can do
एंड
that
आधे
for
घंटे में
yourself
आप
always.
पोको
I hope you have liked
42%,
the session. God
Realme
bless
6
you all, guys.
57%
Have
और
a great day.
54% Realme 7 में
Connecting
चार्ज कर
with you
सकते हैं
people,
आधे घंटे।
lovely people around. So that's all from my side today, guys.
ठीक है, तो
Have a
45 मिनट हो गए।
great day.
Realme
Have a
6
great life.
83%
Have a
चार्ज हो चुका है।
great
Poco
week.
M2 Pro 60% चार्ज हो चुका
That's
है
all.
और
Thank
Realme
you so
7
much.
76% चार्ज हो चुका है।